Good morning, guys. I hope you guys are good. This is a brand new week. And I'm good. Last week was crazy, man. Like I, last week I don't want to even go into, because if I start speaking or talking about what happened last week, I will not do anything. I will not even analyze the market this morning. So now the market is okay. So I just want to analyze GJ and GBPAUD right now for us to see what we're expecting this week, or what we should look out for today. So let me just share my screen for you guys right now. Let's start from trading view. Let's start from trading view. Okay. So guys, yeah, as you can see, let me start. The way I normally do, I start from monthly time frame, but in this case, let's start from monthly time frame and see what's up in the market. Okay, we can see that the markets broke out from this resistance and turned support, like almost multiple times. Sorry, guys. I think I just have to move um, Telegram. Sorry. Um, okay. So we saw that the market retested this zone multiple times, and then we have another one right here, which is where the market is currently is. And at the same time, I'm just trying to analyze from zone to zone, right? I'm trying to analyze from zone to zone. Then coming here, we can see the reason why the market rejected from this area well, anyway. So now the market is here. Let's go to weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, we can see the market retested this area. It even retested it this morning, actually. It even it tested this zone last week, which is a good sign that we are going uptrend. Then let me go to daily time frame. Sorry, before that, let me just move this to here, right? Then yeah, and this one is still after this move. If we can break this, like more like a M pattern that I'm seeing here, we are coming to retest this one here. To retest this more like a head and shoulder, but I would say resistance, because this one is like a fake out. I will not see this one as we can see that head and shoulder, but at the same time, it looks like a fake out, when the market just go and hunt stop loss. Then let me go to weekly and daily time frame. Okay, perfect. So on a daily time frame, we can see the market retested this our previous resistance turn support. Now the market is rejecting upside down, upward, and we can I can this week I can see the market come to this area about 50 pips. Sorry, about 500 pips. But with that being said, let's see what we can get from the market today. So I have to just go to smaller time frame, like 4 hours. Okay. So now that the market is Hold on, guys. Sorry. I need to do something. Okay, so guys, okay, beautifully. Like the market is just so now we are waiting. I'm still waiting. We can see the market rejected from this area. You know, this one was a typical like a stop loss like hunt right here. All this thing that happened here was just a stop loss hunt and nothing else. But again, on 4 hours time frame, I'm kind of waiting for the market to give us a little push up to this side and up, or to do this, to come like this and go, right? That's one of the things that I'm waiting for. So let me go to war on 2 hours. Okay, on 2 hours time frame, we can see that on 2 hours time frame. I'm kind of expecting the market to come to let me use this. I'm expecting the market to come here. If the market gets to this place, then I'm gonna buy. I'm gonna buy from here. Then my stop loss will be here. My stop loss will. I'm probably gonna buy from, you know, from where most traders will be putting their stop loss, which is here. Then my stop loss will be as tiny as 25 for, you know, 25 pips. Then I will target here. My target will be here. That's 170 pips. Then if that is not the case, right? What I will be doing is I will be expecting the market to break this area, right? And give me a test from here, right? I'll want to see the market to move around this area. Then I'll buy. Then I'll buy from here. Then I'll buy from here. Then my stop loss will probably be around 2, probably around, yeah, something like that. So I'm waiting and seeing what the market. I'm just gonna wait for the market to see. I'm gonna wait and see what is gonna happen in the market, right? If the market end up, I'm just waiting. Like I said, I'm waiting. But as for what I can see the markets, bullishing, like the market coming to this area. Yes, anything that makes the market to reach here, I might as well hold my trade, depending on how the volume or what is happening in the market. I might have just, I will just hold my trade and see what will happen. If we can break this, if we break this level, this resistance level here at 164, let's say 164.00. If we can break this level, believe me, then all we need is just a confirmation, like a retest, Then we're coming up here. We're coming up here. We're coming up here. We're coming up here. So that's what I'm looking at when it comes to GJ. I'm waiting patiently for what is. Sorry guys, it's morning. Like again, I woke up like 30 minutes ago, or maybe yeah, I'll say 1 hour ago. Because I gotta play. And so like I said, so we are waiting. We wait patiently. So let's move on to GA. Then I think we can touch oh wow, gold drop about 100 pips today. Okay, so let's touch GBPAUD. Guys, I should have placed this trade, honestly. Yeah, I should have placed the trade. But again, last week, one of the reason why I had so many losses last week was trading, when it's not, you know, not trading my setup. I made a lot of profits last week and I lost a lot. I lose them all. Like I gave up everything back to the market, which is not supposed to be like that, right? So I try to reduce. This week, my plan is just to be better. Like I said, just to be better. But again, I analyzed this market yesterday, saying that I'm expecting the market. I've been waiting for this move since last week, right? To give us about 200 pips or something like that coming down here. But now I'm seeing the market right here, around this previous higher low, which is this previous higher low. So anything can still happen here. So first of all, let me go back to 4 hours. Okay. On 4 hours, we can see the previous candle closed right like equally as the as our previous higher low. Then we have this might be like a stop loss ons. Then at the end of the day, the candle will end up closing around this area, or might come. It's a two thing, right? So we're gonna be watchful of what is gonna happen today or this morning, whether GBPUD is gonna drop to about 1.8112 or we're gonna see these to reject and continue the uptrend. So from what I'm seeing, the market is still trending, like uptrend. If I use my Fibonacci retracement based on the higher high and higher low, previous higher high, this is the higher low, then I take it to the higher high, right? So from what I'm seeing here, we can see the market move to this area, or we can see the market reject at 0.61, right? So what we have to look at right here is to go to our smaller time frame and see. Sorry, guys. So and see what is gonna happen, and see what is gonna happen. So let me remove this one quickly. Okay, so let me go to SOAS. Okay, 2 hours shows that we are retesting this area, so we could see the market comes to 0.78. So from 0.78, then it's possible. Then I can guarantee you that we're gonna go bullish. We're gonna go bullish from 0.78. We're gonna go bullish from here. Then I'm just gonna wait again patiently. No problem. I'll wait patiently for the market to come here. Then stop loss. My stop loss is gonna be 20 pips. Then again, I'm not gonna place the trade right immediately. I'm gonna wait and put my trade around this area, like where they will be going for stop loss hunt. Just to play safe. Yeah, I'll place my trade above like 20 pips. Sorry, about 10 pips or 20 or 15 pips, below the normal entry where other traders will be, likely to place trade from. So yeah, that is the trade that I'm having today. Let me go to daily time frame. So let me go to hourly. like 1 hour time frame. Okay, so from 1 hour time frame, why this trade is still you can see reject from this area. Don't get me wrong, but I see the possible, like I see possible bets that the market might come to this area to move. You know, I'm just waiting patiently. Then I'll go to 15 minutes time. Hold on, let me mark up my zone first. I want to mark up some zone here. We have this one here, right? Our previous then we have this zone here. Then uh, we have this one here. Okay. So here's it. Then we have this where the market is currently enjoy the movement. So here's the thing. All we have to do is just have patience. You know, like I say, I can see the market moving down. But again, this might be a stop loss hunt. You can never, you should never underestimate what the market will do. You just have to let the market tell you what it's gonna do in the market. Then you now react to what is happening in the market. So from what I'm seeing now, I'm seeing the market is coming here. Like I said, we will be placing, if we see market come to this area, I'll wait for my conference to happen, then I'll be buying. Then let me go to 15-minute time frame. Or let me go to 30 minutes. Okay, 30 minutes says, good. We can see the market can reject from this area, but at the same time, it might not happen. Let me just move my distance to this area. I think moving into this area is still a good choice. Then my stop loss should be about 25. Let me just put it 25. Okay. So moving these to here, I think it's still a fair deal. Fair deal. If I don't enter trade, if the trade end up reversing from here, I'm definitely gonna wait for it to just move above this place. Then I'm expecting it to retest this zone after breaking it. I'm just waiting for the candle. I'm waiting for the candlestick, the candle that I want. Once it happens, then I'm gonna buy. If it doesn't, then I will wait. All I have to do is just wait patiently. I'll wait patiently for the right time to trade from the market. Then we can see the market just do its things and reject from this area, then start going up. It's just one, like I always have to, like, if this thing happen, I will do this. If this thing happen, I will do this. I'm not just one of those traders, okay, they're looking for just one setup. I always look for option. Like again, if the GBPAUD is not giving me the signal today to buy, I will buy GJ is, you can give me the signal, you know. Again, like I said, GJ can give me the signal. GJ is still, like, he's still trending from, he's still doing his thing on this resistance level, which I'm not gonna do a thing until he gets here. Like, if he gets here, I'm gonna place my trade from, you know, I'm gonna place my trade from, somewhere around here, like here. Then my stop loss will be here. My stop loss will be 250, 250 or 250 point or somewhere about, like, then I'll be going bullish. Like I said, we saw it from daily time frame, or daily time frame. We saw that the market is bullish. It's bullish, like it's bullish. So I'm just waiting for it to come here. Then we are buying. My bro, we are buying. I might even put my take profit here, 600 pips. It can happen. I've seen GJ move crazily like that. See, within a day, move more than that. But again, I'm waiting patiently for it to come in. Then we can continue our buy. So yeah, with that being said, guys, I hope you enjoy the little market analysis that I just did for us. Again, this week, your goal as a forex trader, as a beginner, should be not. Don't put your goal. Don't set your goal as like a currency. Like, don't set a goal as a amount that you want to make. I think the best way to do is just to set your goals on you being better every day, because the more better you are in the market, the more better you are, emotionally, how you can control your emotion, control yourself, and learn to trust your strategy and your system, the more money will come. That's one thing that I realized. Last week made me realize that I knew that, I knew that all that, but practicing it is really like difficult, honestly, because last week was crazy. But again, last week made me realize that, no matter how good you are, for the easiest way to make money in forex trading, the fastest way to make money in forex trading is having patience and slowly. You can never make money just, okay, I want to cash every move, I want to do this, I want to stay up all night. No, you never succeed in that. Market will humble you, honestly. Last week, Monday or Tuesday, I made $2,000 or $2,200 from GT in one single trade, right? And within 2 days or 3 days, I blew that money off. Like, I blew all my profit off. Yeah, now I'm back to negative, and yeah, which is, and I learned from that. I learned my lesson from that. Believe me, and you can never again. Forex trading is just one of the reasons why I love trading forex is because if you make a stupid mistake or a stupid decision, you will get your result immediately. You're not gonna wait till like next week. Unlike if you're working for a boss, or maybe if you're doing a business and you're waiting for the return to come like within, if after a month or 2 weeks. Forex trading is not like that. Forex trading will humble you immediately, like immediately. I give you like 1 hour, 2 hours, you see your results. So anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's analysis, and I'm gonna upload it to my Telegram, and I don't think I will be doing I might be doing live, but I don't know yet. But also I'll be uploading all my market breakdown for you guys to see. And for you people who are wondering why I don't do market breakdown on Sunday, and the reason why I don't do market breakdown on Sunday is because basically I trade London section, right? And when you are coming to a new week, the market is trying to do a lot of crazy things. You might go and say, okay, you want to buy, and you might be looking for a buy on Sunday evening, and on Monday morning you see a market going opposite up, or opposite or direction, where you want the market, where you feel like the market will be going. So I like to wait till Monday morning where the market is a bit stable, then I can now start, reacting to what is going on in the market. So it works for me that way. But again, like, that doesn't mean I will not see I will look at the chart. I will see what happened last week, what I did wrong, what I did right, to see what will happen, or what I need to change, or what I need to improve on. So guys, yeah, that is my little tip for you guys today. And this week, again, is full of, abundance. Like, we are gonna be profitable this week, and I claim it, and I receive it, and I will see you tomorrow.